The forbidden perfume, the fragrance no one was allowed to wear. Hey everyone, welcome back to Before Perfume. In a world where scents can charm, seduce, and even deceive, there existed a perfume so powerful, so enchanting, that it was banned, hidden, and nearly erased from history. This is the story of the forbidden perfume. Centuries ago, in the heart of an ancient kingdom, a royal perfumer created a fragrance unlike anything the world had ever known. It wasn't just a scent, it was a spell. Crafted from rare night-blooming flowers, crushed amber resin, and the oil of a mysterious black orchid, the perfume had an unusual effect on anyone who inhaled it. The moment it touched the skin, people reported feeling mesmerized, drawn to the wearer as if pulled by an invisible force. Some called it magic, others called it dangerous. The perfume quickly caught the attention of the queen. She demanded it be made for her and her alone. But there was a problem. Once the perfume was applied, even the queen's own guards could not resist her presence. Meetings became chaotic, decisions were influenced, and jealousy spread throughout the kingdom like wildfire. Narrator dramatic pause. The perfume's power was not beauty, it was control. Stories began to circulate. Diplomats claimed that during negotiations, the queen's scent made them agree to terms they never intended. Servants whispered that they could not meet her eyes without falling into a trance. Some feared it was not perfume, but sorcery. The king, suspicious and increasingly paranoid, began to wonder, was he losing power? Or was the perfume the true ruler of the kingdom? Fearing chaos, the king issued a decree. The perfume was to be destroyed, every bottle, every ingredient, every formula. He believed the fragrance was a masterpiece, a once-in-a-lifetime creation. Instead of destroying it, he hid the formula in a secret vial carved with ancient symbols and vanished from the kingdom. Over time, the kingdom fell, the palace crumbled, and the story of the forbidden perfume became nothing more than a whisper in old manuscripts. But legends say that the vial still exists, buried somewhere beneath the ruins of the ancient city. Some treasure hunters claim to have caught faint traces of its aroma when exploring old tunnels. Others believe the formula has already been discovered and recreated in secret. Was the forbidden perfume truly magical? Or was it simply the most intoxicating fragrance ever created? One thing is certain, scents may fade, but legends never die. Narrator, this was the forbidden perfume, a fragrance so powerful, the world wasn't ready for it.